everybody, welcome back to my channel. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to everybody that has shared, liked, subscribed to all of my videos that I have up already. It's so overwhelming. I can't even begin to say thank you. So secondly, today's video is actually going to be a new segment that I am doing here on my channel. It is going to be called my top 5 favorites of the month. So since March is just about done, I figured I would get this up now. This will be a monthly thing again, and I do have it categorized. So for this month of March, I am going to do one beauty favorite, one skin favorite, my favorite fragrance, believe it or not, because I feel like I need to share that, and I have a favorite accessory and then favorite song. So each month may change. If I like the pattern that's going right now with the categories, I'm going to keep it. But if not, if you have any suggestions, just feel free to leave it down below with whatever you want to see. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to start obviously with beauty. So I have been loving doing my eyebrows, as weird as that sounds. But for the past couple months now, I've been using Anastasia of Beverly Hills products to do my eyebrows. I used to never fill in my eyebrows, and let me tell you, it changes everything about your face. Seriously, your eyebrows are the main focus of your face. It draws the most attention, so having them filled in and having them nicely filled in the correct way definitely makes a huge difference. So a close friend of mine, when the Anastasia of Beverly Hills Brow Wiz came out, which I have right here, I was a little skeptical, but she actually ended up purchasing it and said that it was amazing, that I needed to get my hands on it. So I did give it a try, and I am actually in Caramel. I bought Caramel for the Brow Wiz, and I loved it. It is a crayon type, and it does twist up and twist down. This was a life changer. I definitely am happy I bought it. It's a little bit pricey. Some people might be used to just going to the drugstore and getting a brow pencil. This is going to be a lot pricier for you, but when I tell you it's worth it, it's worth it. So along with that, just recently, that line came out with a Dip Brow Pomade. And again, I was a little bit skeptical because I fell in love with the Brow Wiz, and I was like, ooh, I don't know how I'm going to feel about kind of like a gel form on my eyebrows. But again, I was wrong. I was at my local Sephora one day. I went there with all my makeup fully done except my eyebrows. I asked one of the girls there that I was interested in it, and we matched my eyebrows to the color Auburn, and it looks like this. It comes in just this little jar, and a little goes a very long way. So I will have this for a long time. As you can see, I do tap the excess off on the cap, but that is what it looks like. And again, I am in the color Auburn. I do have red hair, as you all may know or can see, so I didn't want to do a chocolate. I felt that would have been too drastic for me, but this is absolutely hands down my favorite beauty product of this whole month. I enjoy doing my eyebrows every single morning, every single day. It's my favorite part about my makeup routine right now. So I do outline and do a little bit of filling in towards the inner part of my eyebrows with the Brow Wiz, and then I fill in the tail and any other areas near the curve with the pomade. So that is my beauty favorite. So that is number 1. And again, if none of you have tried it and you're looking for a good brow, pencil or something else that you're interested in trying, when I tell you she has the best brow line, I would go and get it. I would definitely go and purchase it. Not just saying because I have it, but I would definitely go and purchase it. So Number 2, I decided to do skincare. I have extremely dry skin, and with where I live, the weather has been horrible. It's still really cold, and it's just a gloomy day out there, and it's just not pretty. So I have been looking for a good cleanser. I need something extremely hydrating for my skin. It doesn't matter how much moisturizer I put on. I still seem to get extremely dry in my T-zone area. So again, a friend of mine had recommended a couple products to me. She knows that I've been having a lot of trouble with my skin, so she actually recommended Philosophy. Now, I've heard a lot about Philosophy products, but I've never tried anything from them before. So she told me about the cleanser Purity. She said it's very nice. She's heard a lot of things about it, so I figured I'd give it a try. I went to my local Ulta where they actually had a sample size for only $10, more like a travel size, and this is it right here. As you can see, I am just about done, and I use this every single day. You do not need a lot at all. This is the most sensitive, like, I can't even explain it. It's like butter on your face. It has this nice smell to it, and like it says right here, a one-step facial cleanser, because believe it or not, it does take off your makeup. You might need like one makeup wipe to get like your, you know, liquid eyeliner or your mascara. But other than that, this takes it all off. So I am obviously going to be in need of a new one. So I'm looking to purchase a big one. Right now on QVC, they're having a great deal, 2 liters, and I think it's only $75, which to me is a great deal because that's going to last me a long time. And also from Philosophy, I tried a little sample size of one of their moisturizers, which I loved. Unfortunately, I ran out of that sample, so I'm going to be getting my hands on that soon also. So number 3, I'm going to do fragrance. As some of my friends know, I have been highly obsessed with one certain perfume. Once I got my hands on it, heard about it, smelt it, it was literally meant to be. This is my holy grail of perfumes, and if you don't know who this is, never smelled it before, never heard it before, you need to go and smell it. It might not be for everybody, but for me, it's just the perfect smell. And what I am talking about is Alien by Thierry Mugler. He also has another perfume called Angel. A couple of years ago, he had some more in his line. One was, I believe, called Womanizer. Those have all been discontinued, unfortunately. Anytime I can see it in a Marshalls or a TJ Maxx, I tend to try and get my hands on it since, again, it's discontinued. They don't sell it anymore. But Alien is... I'm obsessed with this smell. I literally wear it almost every single day. This is still the first bottle. I'm about to like hear on it. And my lovely boss actually gave me her little small travel size one. So I have 2. And the packaging is amazing. I'm not a fan of Angel, the other one. The scent is it's just not for me. So I suggest if you go to your local Macy's, Nordstrom, Lord & Taylor, anywhere like that they sell perfume, they even have this at Sephora, just smell it. It's life-changing. That's how much I love it. So number 4, I am going to do favorite accessory. And for Christmas, I actually got extremely surprised by my boyfriend who purchased for me my first Louis Vuitton. So this is my Louis Vuitton wallet, and I was so excited. This is very close to my heart. I've always wanted a Louis Vuitton, and yeah, it is just the wallet, but hey, I'm happy as can be with just the wallet. So this is what it looks like, and it actually has red interior, which is awesome. There's a zipper pocket right here for change. There's 4 slits right here for credit cards. Don't mind my mess in here with all my receipts, but there's 1 slip pocket right here. and there's another one back here. And then the cool part about this red interior, it's actually a big pocket in there. So this is my favorite accessory. I just adore her. She's my absolute favorite thing that I own. So thank you to my lovely boyfriend for my Christmas present, but this is my favorite accessory of the month. And lastly, my favorite song of the month is going to be number 5. If any of you like Pharrell, then we can be friends. Pharrell is one of my all-time favorites, and he just finally came out with his new CD, which I just think is absolutely phenomenal. So my favorite song of the month, believe it or not, is from Pharrell, from his new CD. And the song that I have to say that is my favorite is Hunter. So I don't know what it is about this song, but this song is my favorite. It's just so catchy. His whole CD just has this awesome vibe to it. The music, everything. His voice, it's just amazing. But I have to say, favorite song of the month is Hunter. I find myself listening to it all the time in my car, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, I think that this is going to be really fun every month. I know a lot of people here on YouTube do like March favorites and they have a bunch of different products, but I think it's fun to kind of do something different, my top 5, and have it in different categories. I guess I could still do a huge favorites video, and if you guys want to see that, please just leave a comment down below. But other than that, I will keep this going every month towards the end of the month for a little while, just to see how you guys like it. So until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. That would mean the world to me. And again, thank you to everybody who has shared, liked, viewed, word of mouth about my YouTube channel. I really greatly appreciate it. So until next Friday, have a wonderful day, guys. Bye. Mwah.